What's up, my YT homies? It's Leafy. I followed a how-to, I guess you could say, that a young lady by the name of, her channel is called iamLindaElaine, but she did this how to conceal deep set eyes. And while my eyes do go back, they're not really deep set, so I cannot say or that I saw a significant change that she had on hers. I will say she looked more in her video, she looked more filtered, and I'm not saying that she had a filter on her camera, but it just looked more I guess smoothed out or something, whatever. But anyway, it was in my recommendations on my YouTube feed. I don't know why. I'd never seen this young lady before. I never came to her channel. Maybe I saw somebody's channel that was similar and YouTube felt like they should put that in my feed, or maybe YouTube knows I have some darkness under my eyes. But anyway, if you are interested in seeing how I followed her how-to video, then please continue to watch. Alright, you guys, so I went off and I put on my lashes, I primed my face, and I color corrected. So I usually color correct after I put on my foundation, but I just went ahead and color corrected first. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation, and this is the number 11. And like I said, I'm switching it up using some products that I have not been using. So per her video, she put on the foundation first, as we all do. So I'm going to put my foundation on, and y'all know I put the Fix Plus as an extra step. Alright, and so I am going to just put my foundation on as I normally would. Next, I'm going to contour with the Fenty Beauty Stick in the color Truffle, as I always do. So next I'm going to conceal with my Too Faced concealer in the color Warm Sand. Alright, so what she did the same thing that I normally would do, and just do my concealer up under my eye. Just this way. So I'm going to just go ahead and put the concealer on the way she did. Now my eyes are not as deep set as hers were, but there is some, I still have some hollowness. So I'm going to do exactly what she did on the video and just go around this area. I feel like it's a lot of concealer. This may not be something that I do on a regular basis because I feel like it's too much concealer. Okay, so she took some banana Ben Nye powder and set up on her eyes, but I am actually going to use the Makeup Revolution banana powder and my Laura Mercier powder mixed in together. Alright, so even though she says she doesn't use that much powder, I felt like I used a lot of powder. But anyway, I'm going to go, I didn't put any setting powder on my brush. I'm just patting down just like she did in her video. As you could see, if you've been on my channel for a while, I don't see a very significant difference in me doing what she did versus what I did. The only thing that I saw that she did different was an extra concealer step that, you know, it's like, so I don't know. So I didn't really see a significant difference. I did want to try it out to see if I saw something. But I will say another difference that I noticed is that the fact that my face was a lot more powdery than normal. I sprayed my setting spray on as I normally would. It did seem a bit airbrushed, I will say that, but my face did seem like it was a bit more powdery, and I didn't like that fact. Anyway, she's a gorgeous young lady, and yeah, I have, that's the only video of hers I've watched, so I can't even tell you what her channel is about, but I would assume it's about makeup. So anyway, with that being said, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. Go ahead and subscribe if you have not subscribed, and click that bell for notifications when I upload new videos. And until the next time, in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side.